Hello everyone, you are watching my YouTube channel EMK Tech Zone. And in this video I am going to tell you that how you can convert your image into PDF file. Before moving toward this video, I just want to request you to just subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, what you need to do is to just open any web browser and type a command Google Docs. Press the enter button. Here you will see the website. Simply click on the Google Docs option. Here you will see these options. Simply click on the blank document option. Then you have to click on insert button, and here you will see the image option. So simply click on upload from computer option. Here you have to select that picture that you want to convert into PDF file. Simply click that picture and then click on open button. Your file has been opened in the Google Docs option. Simply click on the image and then click on the corner button and adjust its size. After that, you have to click on the file button. Here you will see the option of download. Simply click on download button, and here you will see the option PDF document file. Simply click on the PDF document option. Your file has been downloaded over here. Simply click on show in folder button. Here you will see that your file has been converted into PDF file. Simply double click over here. Your file has been opened in here. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.